This section is the continuation of the last section, that is trigonometric functions of standard angles. In the last section, we write down all the standard angles and its trigonometric values. In this section, we solve some problems using the results. That means using the results of sin 30, cos 30, etc. Okay, the first problem is prove that sin 30 into cos 45 plus cos 30 into sin 45 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3. Take the left hand side. Left hand side, first one is sin 30. We know the result of sin 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Just by heart those results. 1 by 2 into cos 45. We know that cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus cos 30. Cos 30 is, what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into sin 45. Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. Just substitute the standard results. Sin 30, cos 45, cos 30, sin 45. Just remember those results. Otherwise, you can't solve these problems. This is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. Here the denominators are same. Here the first denominator 2 root 2, second denominator 2 root 2. Therefore, if the denominators are same, the simplification is adding the numerators. Numerators 1 and root 3. Just add root 3 and 1. Root 3 plus 1 by denominator, common denominator, 2 root 2. Here we don't use the cross multiplication technique. Answer root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is the right hand side. This is our second problem. Prove that cos 45 into cos 60 minus sin 45 into sin 60 is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. Just substitute the standard results. Cos 45, 1 by root 2 into this left hand side. Cos 60, 1 by 2 minus sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2 is equal to, this is 1 by 2 root 2, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 minus this root 3 numerator, 2 root 2 denominator, root 3 by 2, 2 root 2. Here the denominators are same, therefore common denominator. The simplification is simplify the numerator. 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. This is the right hand side. This is an important problem. Lots of simplification in this problem. Left hand side, tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Take left hand side. Left hand side is equal to tan 45. Standard result. Tan 45 is 1 minus tan 30. So it's a standard result. 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 45 1. 1 into tan 30 1 by root 3. Here simplification of fractions, cross multiplication technique. Cross multiply root 3. Cross multiply 1 and root 3. 1 into root 3 root 3. Minus here denominator 1. 1 into 1 1. Divided by the product of the denominators. Here denominator 1. Here denominator root 3. Product root 3. Divided by, here also cross multiplication technique. Multiply 1 and root 3. Root 3 plus, here denominator 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Divided by root 3. Denominator here, denominator is 1 and root 3. Product is root 3. Root 3 go cancel. Is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay. Our answer 2 minus root 3. Therefore, the technique is multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Listen, multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Here, denominator is root 3 plus 1, conjugate is root 3 minus 1. Multiply by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into multiply by root 3 minus 1. Here a minus b, here also a minus b. A minus b into a minus b is a minus b the whole square is equal to root 3 minus 1 the whole square divided by this a plus b. This a minus b. Answer a squared minus b squared. A is root 3. Root 3 squared is 3. Minus b squared. B is 1. 1 squared is 1. 3 minus 1. This a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square, standard result a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We already studied algebraic identity in 8th or 9th or 10th standard. This a squared. A squared is root 3 squared is 3 minus 2ab minus 2. 2 into a. A is the first quantity, root 3 into b. B is 1 plus b squared. B is 1. 1 squared is 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 3, here 1, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Then dividing by 2, we get 2 minus root 3. This is the right hand side. Very important problem. This is your homework problem. Okay, do it today itself and submit. Tan 45, prove that tan 45 plus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30 is equal to 2 plus root 3. Very important, you do it. This is our next problem. 3, find the value of, this is not the prove that type, find the value of 3 tan squared 30, 4 by 3 cos squared 30, 2 sin squared 45 minus 1 by 3 sin squared 60. Answer 3 into tan 30. It's a standard result. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 30 squared is 1 by root 3 square plus 4 by 3 into cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Root 3 by 2 square minus 2 sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin squared 45 is 1 by root 2 square. Next, sin 60. Standard result of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, sin squared 60 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Then simplification. 1 by root 3 squared is root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into root 3 squared is 3. 2 squared is 4. Therefore, 3 by 4 minus 2 into root 2 square. Root 2 into root 2. 2. That is 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 into root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. 3 by 4. 3 got cancel. Answer 1 plus 4 3 got cancel. Answer 1 minus 2 got cancel. 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 got cancel. 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Therefore, 3 by 4 is the answer. This is another evaluation problem. Evaluate 4 by 3 tan squared pi by 3 plus 3 sin squared pi by 3 minus 8 tan squared pi by 6 plus 5 by 6 cos squared pi by 4. Here pi by 3 is 60 degree. Pi by 6 is 30 degree. And pi by 4 45 degree. So answer 4 by 3 into tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3 square. Tan 60 square, tan square 60 plus 3 into sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 is root 3 by 2 square minus 8 into tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 square plus 5 by 6 into cos 45. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square is equal to 4 by 3 into 3. Root 3 square is 3 plus 3 into 3 by 4 minus 8 into 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 2. 3 will cancel. 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 8 by 3 plus 5 by 12. That's the answer. And the simplification, take LCM of the denominators. Denominators 4, 3 and 12. First 2, 3, 6, then again 2, 1, 3, 3, then 3, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3, 12. Therefore, 12 upon 4 into 12 plus 9 into 12 is 4 into 3, therefore 9 into 3 minus 8 into here 3 answer 12, therefore 4 plus 5. 4 into 12 into 4 48 plus 27 minus 32 plus 5 divided by 12. 27 plus 5 32, 32 minus 32 0, 48 by 12 is equal to 4. Answer 4. Next, homework problems. First one, evaluate 3 tan squared pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 cos squared pi by 6 minus 2 sin squared pi by 4 minus 1 by 3 sin squared pi by 3. Next problem, evaluate cosec squared 45. Cosec squared 45 is 1 by sin 45. Then apply the value of sin 45. Into cos squared 60 into sec squared 30. Sec 30 is 1 by cos 30. Therefore, sec squared 30 is the sec squared 30 is 1 by cos squared 30. Then apply the value of cos 30. Okay. This is the end of trigonometric functions of standard angles.